What's up, guys? Welcome back to another review video on the channel, and today we're going to be talking about some Chemical Guys stuff. So, not a sponsored video, but nonetheless, awesome products. So, we got a couple of here on the table already. I still got to go grab a couple of more and just see. Squeaking all around in my chair. Alright, so we have 5 different products we're going to talk about today, and it should be pretty awesome. 3 of them I have not even opened yet, and 2 of them are going to be air fresheners. Total, we have the Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant Dash Glass Navigation and more. So here's that one. As you can see, I have been using that one pretty liberally on the cars. It does not leave a bad film or anything like that. It usually, I just spray it on a rag if you're gonna do on like the navigation screen and stuff. I have not tried it on glass. I use Rain-X, so sue me. Other than that, this stuff is pretty awesome. Like I said, it doesn't leave a nasty film or anything. It just leaves like a nice matte finish, kind of like 303 protectant. So I really like this product so far. I have actually used it a bunch on the Canyon and the Challenger. Excuse me. Now, something else that recently been using, and I purchased this mainly because I wanted to have a soap that you don't just waste. You know, everything's like, oh, you use like 3 ounces for a gallon or whatever. This Chemical Guys Extreme Body Wash Wax, Color Brightening Technology, Maximum Foam Expansion Technology, High Lubricity Formula, Ultra Concentrated Shampoo. So this is synthetic wax, optical gloss enhancers. But this stuff, man, I've washed 2 cars with that. And I've used maybe like a quarter cup. Like a dry measuring cup, you could maybe fill that with what I've used. So super awesome. This stuff is extremely hydrophobic. Like, you can barely get water on the car after. So I think it works really well. I like it a lot. So definitely recommend this product though, for sure. So those are the 2 that I have used. Let's go to the smelly stuff here. This is the Chemical Guys JDM Squash Scent Premium Air Freshener and Odor Eliminator. So, fresh, clean scent, perfect for driving sideways. So then there's a whole bunch of descriptions on the back, and just some other stuff they were talking about. Let's see, Chemical Guys revitalizes and refreshes any dank automobile interior with invigorating fragrance. This stuff is legit, man. It smells so good. It looks like just green water, but it smells so good. So we're gonna open it up and we're gonna smell it. Like I said, this one I've used before. When we moved up here to Colorado from Tennessee, I gave away a lot of stuff, and I ran out of this stuff, unfortunately, as well. But we gave away a lot of cleaning products and stuff like that to some friends and whatnot. So I'm trying to revitalize my, garage here with some more products. I have been wanting to switch to like almost all Chemical Guys products, which, I like their company. I like their stuff. They have cool designs on their bottles as well. So, it doesn't make it look so boring. It smells like new car / like fruit. It smells like a Japanese tuner car for sure. I like it a lot. I don't even know what this is supposed to smell like. But yeah, this is what it looks like on the label. Super cool label. Got a little 240 or something like drifted on it. Again, Chemical Guys JDM Squash Scent Premium Air Freshener and Odor Eliminator. Go check this stuff out. I'm gonna leave links to all these products separately and to the Chemical Guys site down below. Again, not a sponsored video, so anything you guys buy from Chemical Guys right now is not gonna help me, it's only gonna help them, so free advertising, I guess. This right here is the Chemical Guys Strawberry Margarita. It's paradise in every spray. I have not used this, I have not smelled it, so the package is sticky like a fucking margarita, for sure. Ew. Say hello to the tantalizing, refreshing smell of a strawberry margarita. The invigorating scent of a bright summer day riddled with the ripe smell of fresh, sun-drenched, juicy strawberries. Holy shit. When the luscious and juicy fruit smell fills the air, there is no doubt that summer vacation and relaxation has finally arrived. The descriptions on these freaking smell bottles are crazy, but I can't really get a good smell on it, so we're gonna open her up. Mist, spray. Still not really. What am I gonna spray it on her table? Whoa! That smells absolutely perfectly amazing. Like, I want my car to smell like this all the time. They do have a sample kit, so if you don't really know which ones you might like, I mean, I figure I like strawberries, so why not? I'll probably like that one too. So they do have a tester kit, which is like the small, like little handheld, like spray bottles, and so you can test out like 5 or 6 different ones. It smells awesome, man. So the last product is going to be something I have never used as well. Chemical Guys Quick Shine Speed Wipe, High Gloss Deep Wet, Spray Gloss and Quick Detailer. Contents: cherry scented quick detailer. So you know this motherfucker is gonna smell good. Let me open her up, and you can tell, like, I haven't opened these, smelled, or anything since I got them. Oh no! This one's a little leaky as well. Not very happy. I think these come straight from Chemical Guys through Amazon, so I did buy all this stuff on Amazon, but they sell Chemical Guys stuff at Walmart as well. So, I mean, they can't really hate me for buying it on Amazon. I don't want to go anywhere. Plus the Rona, you know? The Rona's everywhere right now. So, and man, the quality of the graphics on the bottles, I mean, everything's just appealing to the eye as well. I'm gonna show you guys a lineup here and just kind of show you like what I'm talking about as well. Oh, that, I don't know. We're gonna spray it on the rag this time instead of, just from a little bit that kind of leaked down. I don't think I can smell a whole lot. Let me shut this one off so it doesn't spray anywhere. What's that one? Alrighty, stream, spray. I probably didn't need to huff it. Okay, so it smells like cherry, but it's not like, it's a pretty subtle hint of cherry. But again, I mean, I've never used this product. I'm looking forward to trying it out. Right now we're using a Lucas Speed Wax, which, I mean, the car is smooth. It could be smoother if we clay barred it and never took it through any brush car washes, like, you know what I mean? But overall, like, I'm happy with the Lucas, but I'm looking forward to trying this stuff out, especially because, you know, it's Chemical Guys and I really like their products and I want to try some more of their stuff. So I figured I would try out this spray gloss quick detailer stuff and let y'all check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, checking out some of this Chemical Guys stuff. Go check out their site, guys. They're super good company, super good products. I haven't had any complaints about any of their products. If anything, I want to buy more every time I purchase one. I want to buy more. So hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you guys later.